Okay, so we're going to be doing a unboxing on a few pairs of Eyekon replacement lenses. These lenses are for the Oakley Square Wire 2.0, as you see here. Currently, my frames have a set of aftermarket lenses that are made by Exovista. It's one of their competitors, and as you can see, it's still nice and tug in there. It's real tight in there. There's no gap. And here's the problem with these lenses. It might be hard to see, but you just give it a little tiny push, and they just fall out. And that goes for this side too. Bam! I just barely even touched it. And what happens when they fall on the ground? Both lenses pop out. So these are, I think they're about $30, maybe $32 on Amazon. Don't waste your time. Go with the other brand, Eyekon. I did already pre-order a set to test it out, and I am astonished with the quality. It's the quality of the lenses surpasses the original Oakley quality. So this is a really great way to refurbish your old lenses that they don't make anymore for a very inexpensive cost. Most of their lenses on Eyekon are about $37 and some change, so it's not a big deal. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox one of these. Okay, we'll unbox this one. Oh no, look, it's got a nice little microfiber thing in there, just like your Oakleys would have came with new. And then, of course, it's got both lenses in there. Now, this pair is the photochromatic lenses. And what that means is all that means is these are polarized and they change color in the sunlight. So in the sun they will get darker. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Move the camera over here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. It's important to put the correct lens in the correct side, obviously, because they are pretty similar in shape. You could very easily jam the wrong lens in, so it's very important to keep that in mind while you're doing this. And I really don't like opening the frame up all the way, because it makes it a little too flimsy and hard to work with. So if you can get away with installing the new ones without opening the frame up all the way, you're going to be in better shape. And I always install the lens from the front. I don't know if you can see it here. Okay, so when you're installing from the front, there's this little hook right here that it has to go under that first, and there you heard it snap, and now it should snap the rest. Okay, yeah, that one's in. Okay, so this one is in. All we have to do now is tighten the screw. Now, if at any point during this process the screw starts to strip out, you need to stop, because once you strip these frames, you're probably not going to be able to fix that. Okay, so here's the finished product. As you can see, these are clear right now, but once the sun hits them, they do turn dark. So that's a really nice feature. Okay, so now we're going to be installing the other lenses that look more factory. I think they called them red iridium. At least I think that's what Oakley called them. So I went ahead and took the other lenses out, just like I showed you before. And pop these in there. Okay, there's lens number 1. Pretty easy. Okay. And then we'll just repeat for lens number 2. Okay, so we went ahead and put in the gold lenses, and I really do like this color. I think this is my favorite color lenses that I have. It makes the glasses look much more modern and clean. It gives it a very sporty look. So I think these are the ones that I'll keep on there. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, please feel free to send me a PM or write in the comments below. Be sure to like us and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and have a great day.